Hey, so I have to confess, getting all these states and all these details right is hell of a work. So I'm still here, still working on this, but I I think I did all the details now for hosting start event. So all the roles, encoder, hoster, and attester run through perfectly. And I hope I captured all the details. What is left is user state machine and plan state machine to go into details. But I think that tomorrow I'll try to do something else. I'll try to run simulations. So I'll try to wire up everything so that currently, for example, I can just run a state machine for the attester, and it just goes like through all the states. It gets the event for hosting start, and then it connects to the hosters and encoders and gets encoders and hoster states, data from encoders to hosters, and submit a report to the chain. So it does everything for each of the processes. So for a tester and then for the hoster, it also goes through all the states. And the same for encoder. It also does everything. But what I would like now is to run these states or these processes in simultaneously and trigger the event to all of them at once so that they all do it at once. So then once I have this ready, I can slowly start adding the code back and filling out all this with the actual code from our previous version. And then I don't know, I'll see once I have these scenarios and simulations running in parallel, I will either return back to the to finish also the user and plan, or I will just work on this in parallel. But what I think I will have to do once again, this time with Sarapath, to go actually through the whole thing to see if to review the whole process, if everything is correct, if anything is missing, if I'm missing any edge case, because this is now like a foundation for everything. So if we don't get this right, we will again get into issues because of which we actually started working with the X states, so that we can really cover all the edge cases and get like absolutely accurate results or feedback from the processes. So that's the thing. I will push this to my repo now. So if anyone is interested, it's going to be, currently on my personal GitHub repo. So under datdot state machines. So the whole thing is in the source, and there are like as node modules are the state machines. So if you go and copy a state machine, you can visualize it. There are some tweaks that you have to do because I now split it into multiple sub machines, so you have to join them in one file so that it would work. But you can also run it locally because they are defined. The whole kind of logic how they run is defined in here in the jobs. So I'm calling this. So if you just run node attest.js, it will run through all these processes, and you can play with this. I mean, it's kind of fun. Yeah, so continuing tomorrow, it's another day. So hopefully nice and productive again. See you soon.